This theme available on Global Theme Store now. Go to Customize Theme, Look Style, then enter password. Scroll down to enable features of theme. This options to insert your depth effect wallpaper. Upper layer select PG format. Lower layer select JPG format. Your wallpaper show at Insert tab. Enable zoom animation. Choose dynamic notch style. Enable all of this. Custom text on battery widget. Enable focus mode and custom text. Choose style side to unlock, full screen unlock. Enable standby mode. Swipe down on lock screen to active. Select MagSafe charging animation. Disable desktop notch if want. Enable desktop dock bar and set position. With my phone, I set position of dock bar 180. For screen 667 inch. After setting, you must apply default lock style theme, then reapply S24 Ultra theme to active changes. Dynamic island show when you playing music. Focus mode with your custom text. Press and hold widgets to custom. Folder wallpaper feature. Quick. Change wallpaper with one click. To active folder wallpaper feature, open Miui File Manager. Create new folder with name Gibbon. Copy all wallpaper into this folder. You can find wallpapers in video description. After that, return to lock screen and use folder wallpaper. We'll load all wallpaper in Gibbon folder. Thanks for watching video. See you in next video coming soon.